here's a quick and easy ink and watercolour project for you. If you just want to get out, start doing some sketching, all you need to do is start with a pen. I just happen to be using a fountain pen, but you could use a ballpoint or any pen really, and draw those key shapes. Notice how everything I've done is basically a square, a circle, or maybe a triangle on top of our little castle on a hill. If you focus on shapes, you'll find your scene very quickly. Next, add colour. I love using watercolours because they're loose and happy and they blend wonderfully together. Pop in those colours using those shapes as your guidelines, but not painting by numbers. You can splash, you can paint over the lines. All you need to do is see what you need to represent your scene and have fun with it, explore and experiment. And again, using those key shapes, bold colours, you'll get a lovely scene. Now come join me on my channel where there's loads more tutorials where you can really get stuck into quick, easy, fun ink and watercolours.